Hello everyone, today I'm going to give you the progress update of Jameel Residency in the month of November. Construction is progressing so well. Tower A has reached the 10th floor while Tower B has reached the 3rd floor. We have various units featuring 2-bedroom, 3-bedroom and 3-bedroom plus the DSQ. Our 2-bedroom units are completely sold out on both Tower A and Tower B. Our available units are 3-bedroom measuring 1,800 square feet and 3-bedroom plus DSQ measuring 2,350 square feet. Our show house is also ready. You can book a visit to come and see the layout and the modern finishes. For more information, you can call the number below or visit our offices along Moi Avenue, Cannon Towers.